In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in a video in Canva. Let's walk through a clean, simple way to create a smooth zoom effect using Canva's built-in tools so your viewers focus exactly where you want them to. Start by opening Canva and choosing a video template that matches your project's aspect ratio, like 16:9 for widescreen or 9:16 for vertical content. Once your design is open, insert your video onto the page. You can drag and drop it from your uploads or select it from your library. Press play to review the clip and scrub to the moment where you want the zoom to begin. Pause precisely at that point. This pause will be your cue for the transition. Now, click the three dots on the page or timeline to open additional options and choose Split Page. This creates a new page starting exactly at your chosen moment, which is how we'll set up the zoom. On the new page, select the video. We're going to simulate the zoom by resizing and reframing the clip. Grab the corner handles and drag outward to scale the video up. Corner handles keep the proportions consistent, so your video won't warp. Aim the scale so the area you want to highlight fills more of the frame, and make sure it still looks crisp. If it starts to look soft or pixelated, ease back a bit. Reposition the video by dragging it within the frame, so the key subject sits where you want it. Think about visual balance, centering for emphasis or slightly off-center for a more cinematic feel. When you're happy with the size and placement, click Done to apply the change. Next, add a transition between the two pages. Click the transition icon between them and select Match and Move. This option tells Canva to animate from the first page's framing to the second page's framing, creating that smooth zoom-in effect. Adjust the duration to control the speed, shorter for a quick punch-in, longer for a gentle, steady zoom. A mid-range duration often feels natural, but trust your footage and your intent. Fast for emphasis, slow for clarity. Finally, click Preview to watch the full result. Pay attention to the timing and the framing as the zoom happens. If it's too abrupt, increase the duration. If the subject drifts off-center, go back to the second page and fine-tune the position or scale. Then preview again until it feels just right. That's it, your clean professional zoom in Canva, done with a simple split, resize, and a match and move transition.